show you how to work that. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your favorite if it's wet and yet.
Hi everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the bougiest liquid lipstick that I own to date. And it was a lot of mixed emotions at first, but I'm so excited because for today's Is It Worth It? Let Me Work It video, which I have been honestly enjoying filming. Like, I've been loving this series. But anyways, I'm going to be talking about the Chanel Rouge Allure Ink Matte Liquid Lip Color. And this is what the baby looks like. It was definitely one of those purchases that I waited on and I couldn't like handle it. Like, I needed to try it. This particular shade is 154 Expérimente. It has an accent mark at the end, an accent aigu, but I'm a little scruffy on the almost 10 years of freaking French that I've taken. So this is what it looks like. It's such a yummy shade. So without further ado, let's just jump right into showing you how this applies, why I love it so much, but I hate it so much because it's so damn expensive. So normally with red lipstick in general, you would want to wear a lip liner or take the lipstick and take a detail brush and line your lips. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just apply it straight onto the lips. I did clean them with a baby wipe. It's supposed to glide on like a gloss and set like a velvet finish. So let's just... so good. So easy to apply. And those claims are 100%. I'm trying to be as precise as I can, but I'm not going to really fidget with it anymore. I'm just going to leave it like this. Let it set, and I'm going to tell you, pretty much read off of what the website says. Your girl upgraded to the X from a 6S. Yes. Polymers, waxes, and plant oils smooth and nourish lips, while jojoba oil and a unique antioxidant complex offer hydration and protective benefits. The applicator tip allows for comfortable and easy application in a provocative range of red tint shades from tart pink to deep brown noir. So this little guy retails for $37 and has 0.20 fluid ounces of product. So the packaging is very sleek with its own fancy touch. As you can see, that gold Chanel a doe-foot paddle-like applicator, and it does thin out, so it does taper, as you can see. So here you are super zoomed in. And this is just what it looks like after it has set. As you can see, it is a velvet finish and I love it. Of course, I'm going to now be showing you wear test clips and just showing you how it wears throughout the day, its longevity, you know, whether you have to wipe it off before you eat and all of that stuff, because this is expensive, okay? So I had to show you a couple of wear test clips, but now let's just get into it. So it's currently 8:45 and I've had this on since about 2. Yeah, I put this on at 2 and I love it. Yeah, it's going on its 9th hour, and obviously at some point you have to reapply, but it looks so good. And I've been drinking from my shaker cup and the whole deal. It looks bomb.
Alright. Whoa. Alright, so I've had this liquid lipstick on since like 11, I think is when I filmed. I did the get ready with me on this, and it looks so good. I didn't line my lips. I ate already, and I just wanted to show you it does not really transfer. but you have to let it set. If you don't let it set, it will transfer. But it is so comfortable. You feel like you have nothing on your lips, and I really hate the fact that I like this formula. Yeah.
So it's currently 11 o'clock, and I forgot to check in before. I'm back home. I just picked up Peanut. I'm so exhausted, but I wanted to show you how it wore off. I didn't do anything to it. Like, this is how it wears off, and it is beautiful. Especially with reds, it's really difficult, but it wore off so nice. Like, it wore off like a stain. It's crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I didn't reapply it. I had a salad. I drank out of a straw, and I mean, it's like, this is perfect. So these do come in 16 shades. They have added more, so I went on their website and they do have a total of 16 shades, and to be honest with you, I would wear them all. And it's so bad, but I would really wear them all. I really did enjoy this liquid lipstick. This is about double the price of a regular high-end liquid lipstick, which normally ranges around like $18, $18 to $20-ish dollars. So before anyone trips over how small it is, because it does look very, very small, I brought these two other liquid lipsticks, not for quality comparison, but for quantity comparison. This is a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's about, I think, $5.99, I believe, and this has 0.21 fluid ounces. So this is 0.21 and this is 0.20, but just look at the packaging. It, you know, it looks like it's a lot less, but it's not. It's not at all. It's 0.21, 0.20, and this is what this looks like. This is the Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I mean gloss, but anyways, you guys know what I mean. And this is 0.11 fluid ounces if you weren't aware. So just so you can see the size comparison, it's all about packaging. So this is 0.11 fluid ounces and this is 0.20. And just for the sake of comparing it to a Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, this is again 0.11 fluid ounces, just like the gloss, and this is 0.20 again. So just so you guys can see, so I just wanted to put that out there before, you know, because of course this can be very deceiving, and it did deceive me at first because I was tripping. So now for my final thoughts. It did end up how I thought it would. I freaking love it. And if you have the money to go, or if you save up the money to purchase one of these, I highly suggest that you do so. Also considering that you do love makeup and you are willing to dish out $37 for a liquid lipstick, but I have to say it's worth it. I can't lie. It is worth it. And this is coming from the person that has mostly drugstore makeup on. You guys know, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I love mixing all different types of makeup. I do not discriminate, okay? And I do it without the intention of trying. Like, I just, you know, mix and match. I have favorites and it just ends up being what it is. So I definitely suggest you purchase this if you are looking to find a good quality liquid lipstick. The line is so pretty. It has so many beautiful shades. Let me just show you really quickly. Here are all of the shades and they're so freaking pretty. All pinkish reddish tones, and oh my gosh. Anyways, that concludes this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys got something out of it. Like always, I appreciate so much the time that you guys take out of your day to watch one of my videos. Please let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next. I'm thinking about a challenge, but I just don't know what. So whatever you guys have in mind, I will definitely consider. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Join the clan. My name is Ariel and I would love to have you part of this familia. And of course, press the bell button, that way you get notified whenever I do post a video. I was so excited to sit down and film today, you guys don't even know. So yeah, I will leave you off. I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and if you're not, big hugs and big kisses to you, because I'm here for you, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Rolling, schmollen, fallen. Today,
I'm sorry, I don't have that information.
I'm going to be sharing with you some of these wear clips. Why can't I speak? It's kind of, wait, what is it supposed to do? The Chanel. Girl, get it together.